Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, this time we have the Weeknd song called Save Your Tears. As you know, we have covered a lot of Weeknd songs because they're great, and this one is no exception. So, let's go on. We have 6 different chords we need to know here. So, the chords are... it's C. Then we have an A minor. Like this. We have E minor here, the G chord, and a D minor, and finally an F. And this one is played in standard tuning, no capo. So the verse there, it's 4 chords. It starts with C, A minor, E minor, and G. This is the chord progression. And it's very easy when it comes to the strumming pattern. It's only downstrokes in this one. And it will be 8 downstrokes for every chord. And as you saw in the beginning there when I played it, I downstrumming mostly on the bass strings, because in the song it's very bass emphasized in the beginning, so it's a lot of bass there. So we're strumming 8 times for every chord, so slowly like this. So only 2-3 strings on the bass there. And in standard tempo it sounds like this. Yeah, very easy in the beginning, in the verse. So if we go on to the pre-chorus, if we call it like this, it is the same chord progression. It's the C, the A minor, the E minor, and the G. Here we're gonna change the strumming pattern, and the strumming pattern will be the same here on the pre-chorus as in the chorus later. And the strumming pattern is, if I describe the bass as the bass strings, and the top as the higher strings down here on the E, B, and G strings. So the strumming pattern is bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. So if you noticed, it will consist out of 8 different strummings there, and this number 8 goes through the whole song. As in the verse, it's only 8 downstrokes. Here we have 8 strokes in a different pattern there. So one more time, it's bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. So with only 1 chord, it sounds like this in a slower tempo. Bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. So it takes some time to get used to it, but when you have it, it just goes round and round and round. And in normal tempo, it sounds like this. Yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to the strumming pattern. But then we also have this little melody going on in the pre-chorus there, when it sings like na 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 na, and here it's a little melody there, which will add some good touch to it. It will be like a flavor in the song. So I think it's a great idea to learn this one. And the melody is here on the E string, 3rd fret, and then E string 1st fret, then open E string, 1st fret, and open. So everything is played on the E string. So one more time. 3, 1, open, 1, open. And this part is played after every G chord, so, or like in the G chord. So C, A minor, E minor, and here when we come to the G chord, it's played. And how do we incorporate this melody into the chord? The same pattern is here. It's divided into 8 small pieces. So when you come to the G chord, you preferably hold it like this, like I'm holding here, like the middle finger on the bass here, the 3rd fret E string. And with your little pinky and with your index finger, you are having control over this little melody going on here. So you play with this one, you go over here with your index, you play open, back to 1st fret with your index finger, and open again. So pinky, index, open, index, open. And how do we play it? Yeah, on the first, I mean, if we divide it into 8, so 1, bass, 2, 3, 4, 5, bass, 6, 7, 8. So I hope you could follow there. We can take it one more time. So if we count 1 to 8, it will be 1 with your pinky here, 2 bass, 3 with your index, 4 bass, 5 open, 6 bass, 7 index, and 8 open. So slower tempo, it will sound like this when you come to the G chord. And a standard tempo sounds like this. So if we put it in the context here, when we're playing the different chords, and with this right strumming pattern, it will sound like this. And then one more time. This chord progression goes on 2 times in the pre-chorus, so. So from there we are into the chorus, and here it's the same strumming pattern, but different chords. The chords here are D minor, na na na, A minor, na 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 na, F, na 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 na, G. Remember the same strumming pattern. Bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top, A minor, F, G. And here we only have one downstroke for the first two chords, so save your tears for another day, E minor. And one more time. Tears for another day. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. The hard part here could be to incorporate this melody into the G chord here, and perhaps to get used to this strumming pattern, but I think it's very effective when you nail it, so good luck with that one. And if you enjoy this clip here for this song, Save Your Tears, so please subscribe, hit the like button, and maybe perhaps leave a comment down below if you have any future wishes for any songs. So if you enjoy it, please subscribe, and as always, play tuned.